Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I'm Suma Babu. Bottle art is trending now. Best out of waste has become an art form. There are multiple ways that the artists are using bottle as a canvas. There are immense possibilities of doing bottle art. Today we are going to paint on this bottle. So let's get started. You can use any shaped glass bottle for this activity. Any sizes also will do. If there is a label on the bottle, dip it in a bucket full of water overnight and this label will come off by morning. Dry the bottle with a napkin or a cloth. Now our base is ready. You should remember a bottle has a glossy surface, so painting is going to be little different comparing to a paper or a canvas. For the base coat, we are going to use Fevicryl acrylic white color. Take a piece of sponge and dab the bottle with the paint as we did on pan painting. Those who have not watched that video, I am sharing the link in the description. You can see a texture is naturally created over the bottle while using sponge. Don't use a brush for the base coat. I am not painting the top portion and the bottom initially, as we need to hold the bottle properly. After drying up, you can paint those parts later. Here I completed 1 coat of paint all over the bottle. After drying almost an hour, we can give the second coat of paint. Here, if you want, you can give the bottle the same white base. But I am doing some double color merging on the bottle today. Bottom part I am keeping it white and from top we are going to give red. First we'll do the white portion since I am painting the bottommost part also. Let it dry for some time. We'll do the top half later. Now think of a design to be painted on the bottle. I am going to use sap green, Prussian blue and white. We need one flat brush for the painting. An easy way to draw a design on the bottle is tracing it using a carbon paper, but you should be very careful while doing it. But today we are going to do a very simple design, so need not to trace and all. You can do direct painting like me. We will use all the Christmas colors on this painting since it is a Christmas special tutorial. Make sure your brush is loaded with sufficient amount of color. It is going to be a kind of textured painting, so not going to add any water to dilute the paint. So I am taking only 1 bowl of water to wash the brush. At last, we should add snow on the tree and its surrounding. We have to use a mix of Prussian blue and white for the snow background and pure white for the frosted Christmas tree. At the end, apply 2 coats of clear varnish over the bottle. Let the first coat dry before doing the second. Hope you like the video. You can add the same painting on any other surface like paper, canvas, wood or even on metal. Do experimenting. Do consider this as a part of our painting tutorial. If you like the video, do like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another interesting new video. Until then, bye and happy painting.